Hi, this is Vamsi. In this video, I am going to create a table using simple schema. For creating the table, I am using DDL two commands like DDL and DML. DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. Here I am going to the question. Here I am going to create 5 tables like course, batch, inquiry, enrollment, fee paid. In the first table, I need to insert the columns like course code, that means data type number. I am giving the number as 2. The number should not exceed this 2 because I am giving number. Then course name should be in data type varchar of size 30 and syllabus of data type varchar 60. And again I am creating another table batch batch code number not null, course code, that means data type number, starting date should not null, duration, that means number, data type. Here like that I need to create these 5 tables. After creating the tables I need to insert these values. In the course code the value should I have to enter as 10, then course name Oracle, syllabus as SQL, PL SQL, like that. And the second table I want to insert these values like that. For all the 5 tables I need to insert these values. For inserting for creating a table I am using the create table command. I create table as table name, then batch code as number, the it should not be null, then course code as number, I have given a number as 2, then course code name and the syllabus varchar 2, data type should not exceed varchar. Then again, for inserting the values into the table, I am using insert table command. Insert into course name, that means table name. For again, we have to type here course code as we have to type the column names, course code, course name, then syllabus, the values. For inserting the number, we don't need to use single quotation. For inserting the characters, we need to use single quotations for displaying the text. Then one row is created. For inserting the more rows, again we have to use the same command as insert into course, like that. Like that we need to use. For displaying the information into the table, from the table we are using select star from course. It shows all the information what we have inserted into the table name, that means course. Select star from table name course I have entered. We have to type like that course, then it will show the output as like this. Course code as 10, then course name as Oracle, syllabus SQL, PL SQL, JB, DC and JSP, etc. Then again I have inserted second row, which one I have entered here 20 Java, like that. And then again I am creating another table like name create table batch. For that we have to use some attributes, batch code, then course code, like that. We have some course fee in that, like that attributes are there. Again we have to create and insert the rows into the table name. Then after creating the rows, same for showing the content of the table, we need to use select star from table name. It shows output like this: batch code as 101, then course code as 20, starting date as, we need to use date as in single quotation because here characters is there and numbers also is there. Then duration is 30 hours, course fee 5000. Again we are creating a table like that. We need to create the 5 tables. Here we have go to into the question. Here there are 15 questions I need to answer. I will solve it one by one. Create the table to store information of training institute and display the structure of all the tables. First, for I have created all the tables, that means 5 tables, because I have created a spool file. Then these are the 5 tables which I have created. Then impose foreign key constraint to the inquiry number into the table and enrollment date accordingly. Yes, I will show that command. For alter enrollment, add constraint co-enrollment unique key. Because the enrollment date should be unique. And then after that, add a constraint so that course code should be unique. Yeah. course code should be unique. Yes, here. Alter table, that means alter table course table name, that means add constraint. Constraint means we need to give different name as unique, that means course code should be unique, different. Then another question, add a constraint that enrollment should not exceed the current date. That means for inserting, for inserting the, for adding the constraint, the enrollment should not exceed the current date. The enrollment date should not use because current date after that. Then here I am using save point for saving the up to here. Then another question, remove the ENSP column in the inquiry table. For removing the column, I am using here alter table batch drop column batch code. For dropping the column, for dropping a particular column, we are using drop column from batch code. Then add email ENST into the inquiry table. Here alter table, that means batch table name, add batch code number. Here I am using batch code number adding. Then copy the drop the unique constraint. Here I am using the alter table batch modify batch code as character, because here this change the data type of the batch code to attribute to character. From number to we are converting the modifying the character. Then alter table enrollment add constraint key unique. Roll number should be unique, because if the roll number should not be same. After that alter table inquiry drop column. For dropping the column we need to type the command like this, alter table inquiry drop column from ENST. Then alter in table inquiry add ENST varchar. ENST means email section for adding the column. Then alter table name drop constraint conquest. So the table has been altered. Then after that insert into enrollment new select from enrollment. That means this one is a old table. It's copies from select from enrollment. Then here grant create session to Krish. That means the permission giving to Krish for accessing the database. Then grant select update on Krish, on course to Krish. On the particular table course, we are giving some permissions to access for Krish. That means grant permission selection update like that. Here revoke succeeded. That means connect grant succeeded. After that we need to enter like this, connect, enter username as Krish and password which we have entered. Then for revoking, that means not accepting, revoke select update on course from Krish, revoke succeeded, that means it will not accept it. Then select star from enrollment, it will actually I for select star from it shows the information from the table enrollment as look like this. If you type the rollback to S1, rollback means going back one step back, rollback complete, it will show as rollback complete. Then thank you.